I was not having any issue when I contacted Guardian Roofing. The reason I contacted was there was an email came to me which says I can get $2,500 discount. I contacted them, had a schedule for the roofing specialist to come in. He came in, checked the roofing. Everything went well, no issues at all. Minus the only thing was I had to change my date, and it was not because of me or Guardian Roofing. It was because of the weather. It was rainy, so they had to push back everything. So the only thing was that the date got changed for the installation. It was done in like 1.5 days, I think. Everything was left clean, and even after the installation was done, there was someone who came in and did the inspection. He checked everything was good to go. I was very impressed by the honesty of the Guardian Roofing guys, because a couple of years ago when I was having not issue, maybe there were some shingles missing. So I contacted a couple of companies, and some of the companies, they were like, yeah, you need to change the roof right now. The Guardian Roofing person, he was like, no, you are good for another 3-5 years, right? So that was one reason. So I was confident with Guardian Roofing. I'm with safe hands. And yes, everything went well. So I will definitely recommend Guardian Roofing to my friends and family.